day 5 of the tour. We just made the stop to beach area to see some seals. My two dogs are Staffordshire Terriers, like mixed, and there's a running joke in the community. They look like seals, so they're called land seals. Oh, we're waking up. Oh, you're cute.
I have so much stuff in my pockets.
Wow, what a pretty view. It is absolutely crazy here, the weather. Fuck. Shit. This is crazy.
Go up there, check out what is on the other side and so on. And if you want to be a leader of a ship, then you lift on this one.
Oh, this is so easy.
Yeah.
This is like 1 in 20,000 people can lift up that one.
Wow.
Really rare to see someone lift up
Shit.
this one over there.
Oh well, bear. He's got it. Whoa! Well done. Whoa! Go bear. Woo!
Well, yeah, now it's your time, guys.
So I could lift that one. I could lift that one. This one had just got to like above my feet, and that's it. I couldn't do what Bear did the other guy. That one, forget it. No fucking chance. Crazy. Some more crazy ways here in Iceland. So we're currently walking between that gap there because there's like another path we can go off and get back to the car park, but the guy's just going to check if the ways are too far in or not, whether we can go that way or we came. So the tour guide is named Bear. Because this is like walking, but fuck, oh shit, the wind's so fucking strong. Trying to get up to you, it's pushing again. Oh, fuck. We've just got to our last stop, but we have to get out of the vehicle. It's fucking nuts. If you see this, it is so white. I've never been to a place that's so white. Like, look at this shit. Fuck. Oh my god. It's so crazy. This is nuts. So anyway, let's go get this over and done with. Vidvoran. Warning. This area is steep sloping, it's slippery, so better be careful. Let's see. This is nuts. So apparently walk over this bridge for a little bit, and then I think go left maybe. Then we might be able to see the waterfall. This is nuts. The second waterfall. Me and these other two blokes here are the only ones. I think we're the only ones that are going to come down this far. Wow. So amazing. So cool. Oh god, I think that's enough for me. I can't feel my fucking fingers anymore. I don't even know how to fucking hold my phone. Ah. That's so cool. Oh my god. Alright. Let's make the journey back up. That was fucking mad though. How pretty is that? Currently live. It's bubbling a bit. Wow. That's nice. Just got to my room in Keflavik. Pretty snazzy place. Really beautiful actually, and downstairs it looks amazing. So I'm gonna go downstairs now, have a bite to eat. Maybe a beer or something like that. Yeah, let's go check it out. Pretty fancy place. There's like a little lounge here. Oh, like our own little private lounge thing up here. Pretty nice. More volcano coverage in the news. Starting off with this lovely Icelandic beer. And this bread. Fuck, I love the bread here. It's all like this sort of homemade stuff. It's friggin' amazing. And that butter, I don't know what it is, but it's friggin' awesome. Yummy lamb. I love their lamb here. Tasty. Alright, we've just got through security at Keflavik Airport. I just wanted to give like some short notes in my review of Iceland before I hop on this flight. I loved it. The more time I spent here, the more time I've loved this country and the people. It's been absolutely amazing here. I would love to come back and explore more here, and especially try to get a better view of the Northern Lights at some point. The scenery, just everything about it I just loved more and more. The only thing I didn't like was the wind and the rain yesterday for our last day on the tour. As you've seen, the wind and the snow, and it was like I think we're in the middle of a blizzard or a snowstorm or something like that. It was absolutely nuts. I've never experienced anything like that before, but you know, it was all part of the experience, and it was fun. You know, it was fun to be involved in that and to experience that. It was absolutely nuts. Iceland, thank you so much for accepting me and for letting me hang out here for a week, and and basically just making me feel very welcome. It's such an amazing country with amazing people. If you haven't done it yet or you're thinking about it, do it. Come to Iceland. You will not regret it. The more I stay here, the more I love it. I think I'll put this back on my list as a potential place to move to. I'll go check out a couple more countries over the next couple of months. But yeah, this is definitely back on my list as a potential country to live in. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey so far and watching and the support. Really appreciate it from the heart. So yeah, I guess the next time you'll see me will be in Edinburgh, Scotland, and we'll be hiring a car and travelling from north to south for a few weeks. And that, I haven't really got anything planned or booked, no more tours. 3 weeks in a row, pretty much every day doing a tour. You know, getting a few hours sleep a night has been a bit exhausting and draining, but it was fun nonetheless. Yeah, the rest of the trip is just going to be me sort of exploring on my own and seeing what I come across. So yeah, I guess that's it. Peace out, peeps.